and welcome to the DigiGrow podcast, powered by DigiGrow, fostering business growth. In this episode, we are going to talk about the impact and future of artificial intelligence in marketing. The discussions of how the artificial intelligence wave will take over every aspect of your lives in the future is endless. Little do we realize the change has already begun. 60% of internet users have already interacted with an AI chatbot for solving queries across multiple apps and websites. Most of the content we consume on our social media platforms are fine tuned by AI to make us stay engaged for longer. This technology is so amazing that it is projected to be a $190 billion industry by 2025, and digital marketers have an amazing opportunity to exploit this high tech tool. AI is a complex algorithm that teaches itself by looking at vast numbers of data about a certain field or topic and learns the patterns that works the best. The learning capabilities of the AI provide programmers with the ability to introduce effective changes in outcomes by letting the AI use the techniques it found works the best. There are multiple examples of AI already accomplishing never thought of activities such as content writing for JP Morgan and Chase. They have adopted an AI-powered content writing assistant called Persuado. Many companies have also begun to adopt AI in their digital marketing strategies. This is all thanks to the development of algorithms which can autonomously learn from incoming data. One of the most exciting areas of AI development is in marketing, with advances in natural language processing and machine learning helping companies to create even more engaging and ad content. AI can serve many functions and act as an extension to every digital marketer who knows how to employ it. It is cost efficient, precise, and extremely effective. Having seen so many giant companies adopting these tools, every team must have a plan to incorporate AI in their array of tools. Today, artificial intelligence is all around us. It's used in AI chatbots, apps, and even content marketing. One of the most exciting potential uses for AI is in the realm of customer experience. Just look at the Google Duplex, an AI tool that can make phone calls on your behalf, book appointments, and make restaurant reservations. With the rise of powerful AI solutions, marketing will likely be transformed even further in ways we cannot even imagine. Once marketing is streamlined and more efficient, it will be able to dive deeper into the consumer psyche. AI can already help marketers figure out who their target audiences are, what they want, and what they're willing to buy. So it's only a matter of time before a machine learning algorithm can tell marketers exactly how to sell to them. Many marketers are concerned over artificial intelligence and machine learning applications taking over jobs and replacing human labor. However, a recent study by Forrester found that the marketers are excited by AI and machine learning and will be incorporating both into their work, with only 12% of marketers being very concerned about AI and machine learning taking over jobs. Forrester predicts AI marketing will have a major impact on every type of marketing campaign and channel, including paid search, content marketing, social media, and email marketing. AI marketing will help marketers create new workflows, optimize marketing spending, easy content creation, augment product feeds with image recognition, drive predictive analytics, and create powerful new marketing strategies. Instead of worrying about being replaced, modern marketers and marketing leaders are instead asking how they can use an AI algorithm to gain a competitive advantage, reach more customers, and grow customer engagement. The digital marketing landscape is constantly evolving, and artificial intelligence is the next big game changer. AI marketing automation holds the potential to completely revolutionize the way marketers manage their marketing campaigns, develop personalized content, and increase customer interaction. Up until now, companies use digital marketing tactics to try and reach consumers that were scattered around the web. Today, it's possible to use AI applications to reach a user with a highly targeted advertisement at the precise moment when their consumer behavior indicates that they are most likely to be interested in your product or service. Those actionable insights represent the promise of AI. Now, the question is, how should businesses take advantage of it? The first and most obvious step is for companies to use an AI platform to better understand their customer journey and increase personalization. It's all about understanding the customer and their needs. Everything is becoming more personalized and the cost of marketing is getting lower. AI will democratize market research by expanding access and eliminating research skills requirements. It will make market research more broadly applicable, extending use cases beyond strategic decisions to inform tactical choices. For all these reasons and more, AI will change everything about the market research, and companies that get on the ground floor will benefit the most. AI will democratize market research by expanding access and eliminating research skills requirements. It will make market research more broadly applicable and extending use cases beyond strategic decisions to inform tactical choices. Thank you for listening. Follow DigiGrow for more podcasts about marketing, advertising, branding, and PR. We'll catch you in the next one.